My dear, where are you rushing today? When our minds race, we forget to see life's little wonders. Come, let's sit quietly for just 1 minute. Listen to the birds. Feel the breeze. Nature is never in a hurry. Breathe, relax, smile. Sometimes, one deep breath is all your heart needs. A peaceful mind is like calm water, clear and steady. Every small act of care helps something beautiful grow. Kindness makes every day a little brighter. Walk slowly. Life is meant to be experienced, not rushed. The most beautiful moments are the ones you truly notice. Peace isn't something you find one day. It's something you create with the small choices you make every day. Take one slow breath today. Notice one beautiful moment and carry that peace wherever you go.